High converting ad creative. A systematic approach. Across every channel. Across every campaign. Scalable, fast, and effective across all platforms. Welcome to Click AI. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you exactly how I built high-performing e-commerce assets for Amazon using the power of AI. And the best part, all the free prompts used in this video are waiting for you in the description below. Step 1. Designing the product environment. First, let's gather our key brand identity from the brand info section on clickai.com. This data ensures the AI understands exactly how to position and light your product for a premium look. Next, head over to CapCut.com and use the image generation tool to create our primary studio background. For this demo, we're featuring a luxury beauty serum. We'll input our product specs into the Nano Banana Pro model. Watch how efficiently the AI assembles every element into the perfect composition. Use the layout editor to fine-tune the lighting and color grading. Simply copy the remaining prompts to generate all the raw assets needed for a complete video ad. Step 2. Generating motion ads. Now, let's bring it to life. Head back to clickai.com and copy your motion prompts. Open Sora 2, click on Storyboard, and upload your product image. Paste each motion prompt into the corresponding scene. Hit Generate, and just like that, you have professional-grade, fluid motion assets ready to go. Step 3. The final edit. Finally, let's polish our professional ad in CapCut. Drag and drop your images and motion clips onto the timeline. Use your core brand imagery as the foundation and overlay key information like seasonal promotions or limited time offers. Now, finalize the content. Trim the clips and adjust the aspect ratio to fit your target platform, whether it's an Amazon product video, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And that's it. Export your video and upload it directly to launch your high-conversion campaign.
Meet the serum that transforms simplicity into radiant skin. Powered by high-performance actives and a feather-light texture, AC Demo delivers moisture and...
All the free brand prompts are available in the description below. Thank you for watching and welcome to the future of advertising with Click AI.